That's 47% combined. And lastly, mana for yet another 5%. Add 5% here. We got 52% profit combined in the last 24 hours and are now at a total of 126 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. Ethereum absolutely crushed previous structure resistance upon the release of the first ever Bitcoin ETFs. This is very exciting, and we've already tested my absolute top expectation for Ethereum, and in this video, I'm going to discuss the possibility of an even larger move to the upside, the reasons for and against why this might happen, and what you can do to maximize your profit no matter what. Before we jump into the analysis, I want to talk to you about our trade wins. We got 6 of them over the last 24 hours. It was absolutely insane, and I just want to go over these trades with you if you haven't seen it yet. First up, we won the sand trade for 10% profit, bringing us up to 121 wins. So 10% profit. Scrolling down here, we won the ADA trade for 12%, bringing us to 122 wins. So add 12 here. Next up, we're going to drop here to the 15% trade win on ApeCoin, 123 wins. And if we add 15 to this, we are currently at a 37% combined total profit. Next, we're not even done yet. We have a couple more trade wins, 5% from Matic. This puts us at 124 wins. And if we add 5 to this brings us to 42%. Next up down here, 5% on Uni. So add 5 here. That's 47% combined. And lastly, mana for yet another 5%. Add 5% here. We got 52% profit combined in the last 24 hours and are now at a total of 126 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. Now that's awesome, but this person managed to make 46.9% overnight. This person was able to sell and earn $4,103 based on some calls that I'll get to in a second. This person made $3,100 in one day. Absolutely insane. And all of these members were also watching future forecast videos on top of those trade setups. Now tomorrow, Friday, January 12th, Travis is going to be talking about why he added an additional $20,000, bringing up the new total investment to $70,000 in cryptocurrency in anticipation of movements based on the Bitcoin ETF. Do not miss out on the next trade setups. Do not miss out on the future forecast videos. All of this and more available with a membership at the links in the description down below. Now, jumping into the analysis, we're going to scroll down here to the Ethereum metrics, and the very first metric we're taking a look at is the Ethereum Emotional Index. No surprise here, we are excited, and I'm betting within the next couple of days, we're actually going to jump into greedy. We got to watch out because once we push into greedy, this is where we're seeing moves back down in the market. So greedy reading for me will be bearish. Next up, I want you to take a look at the Ethereum Whale Smart Money metric. After this massive pump, no surprise here, but whales are very likely to take profit. Once they sell out of their investments and make their money, they're going to be entering short trades to make money on the way back down too. And this is confirmed based on the massive amount of short trade sentiment with the Whale Smart Money metric. However, this shows what whales are likely to do soon. If we scroll down here, we can see what whales are actively doing using the whale money flow relative to price chart. And right now, whales are pumping money into the market like crazy. And we have officially broken this previous resistance, which means we have officially seen a blow off top. We've absolutely smashed previous resistance right here and are on our ways up. As long as whale money continues moving into the market, we should see moves up in Ethereum. And based on the fact that we're actively testing massive resistance, I think this could indicate a potential breakout. And if we scroll down, last but not least, we're going to be looking at the Ethereum trade signals chart. Now, as the price moves up, once we see a top out, I'm going to be looking for a sell signal. Once we get a sell signal, just as we see back here multiple times in a row, this is where we're seeing pretty significant moves down. And based on the massive pump, I think the move down could be even bigger. So we got to watch out for that. And if you're an Ethereum trader, you need to be paying attention to every single one of these metrics. They're updated every day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Now, members get access to the Ethereum metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Members can join us for the future forecast videos, access our trade setups where, again, 126 wins, 0 losses, absolutely crazy. Check out our Morning Brew overviews, Inner Circle live Zoom hangout coming up later this month. You can access our indicator discount codes and more. You're going to want to access our membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that, scroll down here, and the full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Hurry quick because price increases up to $95 a month are coming soon. soon. Membership is going to include everything I just showed you and more. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Heading into the live charts, we're looking at Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder price versus well money flow and trades in favor indicators. Trades in favor is high with an 81% chance of a drop, and the price versus well money flow is pretty high up, especially locally, but does still have some room to move up. I think whale money will continue into the market, and as long as the rest of the market continues pumping too, I think we could see a pretty significant breakout to the upside. This may be difficult though. There is a possibility of a rejection at this point because upon the release of an ETF, at least historically, you're going to see massive pumps. That's what we saw, followed by a period of price drops, and then significant moves to the upside to completely break previous highs. I think this is exactly what's going to play out. And at this point, the only thing I'm looking for in order to determine which resistance we're breaking through to is the price versus well money flow. If whale money continues moving money into the market, I think we're going to break out. But if whale money moves out of the market, I think we're going to reject this resistance and begin heading down. Now, speaking of resistance, I want to talk about where we're likely to head next if our current resistance breaks. Now, the next resistance structure from our current price sits at $2,969. Now, this would be a significant move to the upside, and this is why I'm somewhat skeptical of any further moves up. From the current price, a move to that resistance would be 13%, and that would be coming off an already 12% move over the last few days. Now, it is possible, once again, just looking for whale money to move up. If it moves up, I think we're going to break this resistance. However, if it moves down, I think we're going to reject resistance and begin heading back to the downside for a very healthy correction as far down as $1,900. So that is my prediction. We already see price versus well money flow high and trades in favor high. This could absolutely be the rejection that we're looking for. And on the 1 week, we see price versus well money flow high with trades in favor high as well. Confluence between two time frames is definitely bearish in this case. And the last signal I'm looking for is just a sell signal. Once we see that at whichever resistance that happens from, I think that's when we're going to see significant moves to the downside. Those are the signals I'm looking for. And if you want to get access to these indicators so you can trade yourself, we're already at 126 wins, 0 losses. And while we're close, we have not yet even been tracking this for a year. I'm going to help you get a significant $550 discount too. So check this out. Once again, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and the indicators are the second link. Click that. From here, you're going to scroll down to the Pro Indicator Pack. You're going to want to snag a membership first, because it's significantly cheaper to purchase these indicators with a membership than it is without one. Access the coupon code at this link, then click Pro Indicator Pack. From here, scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. From here, you're just going to click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in tomorrow's future forecast video. Don't miss out.